Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we replace a word or a sentence in Microsoft Word. So this is a one-page article on health and nutrition. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace the word food with word protein. So for that, I'll click on home, and here in this editing group, I'll click on this replace. Or I can use shortcut key Ctrl plus H. Just after that, I'll enter the word food and the other word protein. Now to replace it, I'll click on replace all. Just after clicking, as you can see, the word food is replaced with protein. And the system says all done, we have made 7 replacement. Click on OK and then close. As you can see, here is no word with food. So this way guys, you can replace words in Microsoft Word. That's all for today. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.